Hello everybody. Today we want to present what stands behind our fancy responsive KRSby frontend. So we will present our backend solutions. To remind everybody, the KRSby application is the web application for young people from Kristiansand area to gather information about what's happening in the region. Probably the most important part is events. Our basis workflow consists of three parts. One part is where editors and journalists create articles and events. It's WordPress. And we present everything in Angular frontend. We communicate between two layers using our own API, REST API. Soon we will have in this picture Event Engine, the new implemented Event Engine API. We are currently implementing the client solution for Event Engine, which will be used by our API. So everything will be developed independently. We manage all the servers where we have all the layers of our applications. WordPress is hosted on Amazon servers using Ubuntu instance with Nginx server. WordPress application, everybody knows, it's a PHP application using MySQL database. And we also take care of the security. On Nginx we have installed the PageSpeed module.
Okay, so next please. Our WordPress instance delivers images for our application, and we were searching for a solution which provides us an easy way to optimize images on the fly, and we found PageSpeed, which is delivered by Google, and this module is available as service and a module for Apache and Nginx, and we choose the second solution. And PageSpeed delivers a lot of methods to speed up your website. For example, combine and rewrite CSS, image optimization on the fly, so you can easily reduce the size of the image, something between 15% to up to 30%, and it depends on image size, dimension, and type. And
Okay, so we also host our API application on Amazon services using similar configuration with the Nginx on Ubuntu. We also have our own caching layer and security firewall. So, for example, we have Varnish, and we can configure it on our own, so we don't have any problems with Schibsted IT, for example. API is implemented in PHP.
And our assumption was to prepare an API which is flexible, simple, and fast. So we decided to use Symfony components, which were covered by strategy design pattern. And we also use inversion of control to build our application. And to present our API documentation, we used Swagger. Swagger is a great tool which can generate API documentation based on annotations. And this is a simple example. This is the result of generating. Next, please. And this, you can also try it out. And this is the result of request. Next. And as Anna mentioned before, we are in the middle of process of migration between WordPress solution for events and Event Engine API. And we decided to implement simple PHP client library for that. And we used Fluent interface, so when you try to use it for the first time, it's really easy to get some basic knowledge how to use it, because you have all the time hints which methods you can use. and
we hope it will be very useful also for other teams, so we implemented it independently of our own API. That's it. Thank you very much.